Hi guys, what's up? How are you doing? How are you doing? I'm good. I hope you are also doing amazing. I have that feeling and that energy of starting a vlog. I don't know where it's headed, honestly, but I have felt that let me start this vlog. Let's see how it's gonna go. It's been a minute since nifanye vlogs, so acha tuone penye itaenda. Here is my girl with shaggy hair, very busy. I don't know what she's doing. So it's the beginning of the vlog. Let's see where it's going. It's on a Thursday. Today is Thursday. So acheni tuende mahali tutafika with the vlog. I hope it turns out successfully, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Make sure to join my live streams every single day at 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. so that we catch up over there on live stream. Okay, so for now, wacha tuone penye vlog itaenda. I'm crossing my fingers because yo yo. Hi mama, sijui mali itaenda, but let's see. Napenda hizi. I always wait for this season, my friend. Kawe ni wa Ukambani nitafute. I'm ready for that relationship. Hmm? Mm. Nani unafanyia hivyo? Nani unafanyia hivyo? It. Is it yummy? Yummy. Say yummy.
Dr. Ellis walks into the room with grace, a warm Christmas smile shining on her face, caring hands and a heart that always gives, sharing God's love in the way she lives. This Christmas night, her light is shining bright. Dr. Alice brings hope, joy, and peaceful delight. With every word she speaks, every prayer she lifts, she reminds us all of God's greatest gift. Snow may fall, but her kindness warms the cold. A story of compassion beautifully told. She serves with strength.
As much as I want to provide that sense of entertainment, I really want to give value. So I was like, I need to take time out and figure out which direction am I taking my content. October went by, November comes.
Who is that? Who is that?
If in case you see something on any of my videos,
Tell me. What do you want? Huh? Hey, what? You need to sleep, Mimi. Do you want to sleep? See your hair. Bad hair day. And we need to finish and doing this hair, Mama. You remove this hair, we do another beautiful hair. Do you want to look good? You want? Unataka kukaa mrembo? Mrembo? Say mrembo. Mrembo? Tuseme mrembo, mrembo. Say good morning.
The pages will be on the screen, and also the website will be on the screen as well. Again, that's Tracy's Theory. I love you guys will see in the coming vlogs because I'm doing things backward. This
Who is that?
is coming before.
Oh, we need to do this hair.
Because I want to make sure that at least I maintain some level of consistency when I do start posting. So yeah, this week.
Who wants to sleep?
Has been on my head.
Say it's me.
For a while. I'm not going to say how long, but for a while.
Say it's me.
and I've had
Good night.
at least maybe
I love you,
with it.
Mimi.
I love how
Happy and you know, clap your hands.
but that was a really nice one.
If you're
And then
happy
my husband
and you know,
and
and you really want to show. If you're happy,
so then I guess I considered that my other business.
clap your.
I
Hi, mommy.
It's a business. It's generating
If
activities, income generating
you're
activities.
happy and
And
you
then we also opened
know,
some
clap your
M-Pesa shops
hands.
in Eastleigh. People in Eastleigh have money. People in that place need money.
If you're
So
happy
then
and you
putting
know,
that
clap
idea
your
in
hands.
my mind, let me open an M-Pesa
Mau.
shop in Eastleigh. So because my
Haya,
mother-in-law had
do.
this
Let's do
building
it.
that she had
If
land
you're
there. She built
happy
this
and you
building. She gave it to
know,
some
clap
Somali guy
your
who has
hands.
leased it for like a number of years or
If
whatever.
you're
So
happy
anyway,
and you know, clap your
one of the
hands.
terms of the
If you're
lease
happy
she
and
did
you
was that had
know,
been have a shop. So we just had that empty
if
space.
you're
And I thought, okay,
happy
what can we
and
do
you
with it?
know,
We have to like read
clap your
so
hands.
we ended up
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with gold and silver, gold and silver, gold and silver. Build it up with gold and silver, my fair lady. The wheels on the bus, round and round, round and round, round and round. The bummy on the bus go. And I wanted to provide the kind of clothing that I was always looking for locally, but I couldn't. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Hi guys, how are you? Today I am at home and we want to clean this chair right here. We want to clean it and clean it and clean it because they have been dirty. It's been a minute since we cleaned. And my girl is here, girl. Hi girl. Hi girl. Hi girl. Nasema kuosha na hii itasaidia. Kama ni Juni mpya yezi.
Bado kata.
Look here. Mimishi. Look at me. See, look here. Not like that. Show me your hair, mommy. You're looking good. Look at me again. Who is cutie? Who is cutie? Cutie baby. Baby? Hi. Look at mommy. Say bye to mommy. Okay, look at me. Who has bad hair? Who has bad hair? Who has bad hair? Who is going on top of the table, Lulushe? Top of the table? What? But manners, go down. Faster, Uraichapa. Down.
No.
Down. Don't tell me no. Down.
No.
Don't. Down.
No.
Down, yo.
No.
You're telling me no. Get down. Catching up with the vlog. Oh, this side is looking better. The sun is perfect. The lighting is okay. So guys, I'm stepping out. Today is on a Friday. I want to go do some errands. Then I get back home, but the lighting here is not so good. This side is better. So I'm headed out. I hope you're good. I wish you a good day. I have shot a video with my baby in the morning. So I woke up, prepared my son to school, and then took breakfast, played with Lulu for a bit, and then I'm out. So yeah. So guys, apparently my girl is already used to me leaving her, and although unaonanga ako na kifeeling kibaya kya kuachwa, oh, the wind is too much, I'll tell you the story, but she's already used to me going, and I'm happy about it, although she feels bad, but it's better that way than her crying every single time, and not even finding me in the house. So guys, have a good day, see you later. Our dusty area. Guys, I'm back from my errands. Let me turn the camera. I've decided to turn the camera because why not use my camera? Yani there's nobody on the way. So I'm headed right there. Naona kwenye naenda. Na ndio huyu mimi hapa. So I'm headed home. I'm back. It was a successful day. Yeah. And I have a small shopping for the babies. Yeah, that was my day. I'm tired. I'm walking. This place is super dusty. Alafu sina key gate. Acha nianza kupiga simu before nifunguliwe gate. Hey, am I becoming unfit or something? Na niliringa juzi venye niko 58. Okay, let me. Mimi, your brother is sleeping. Show me your hair, mama. This side. Oh, nice. The other side. Back. Come and show me. Come, beautiful girl. Come, beautiful girl. Show me. The other side. Hey. Look at me now. Look at me, mama. Mimi, look at mommy. See? Hi. Cute baby. 7 days later, nimetoanisha nywele. Sasa venye nilikuwa nimeishika. At least right now it's feeling less painful and a bit flexible. I can style it. And this is how it looks. Nimetoka kuweka mafuta ile ya dandruff. Juu nasikia kujikuna already. It was really tight. So let's see how it's gonna go and how it's gonna be. Niko na ile top 2 nilipost nayo Jehova. Sasa mtashindwa kwani niko na moja. Si ndio? So yeah. This is it. This was the hair. I really love it, but again the pain was too much. Kuna kanywele hapo kamechoma. So yeah, that's what I would say about this hair. Tupatane sasa kwa hiyo hairstyle nyingine. What? Oh my God. Lulu, see yourself. And you're going? How do you look? Jesus. Guy. Ebu wipe her face. This one on the hair, it will melt. Guy, they will work making more than. Go to the sun. Stop applying. See how you look like. And this is dangerous. Where? Look at this girl. Catching up with the vlog. It's of course the following day. It's Saturday. Hata mnaona nisija change. So I'm outside here. Today is Saturday. I'm home with the kids. I am always very intentional on spending time with my kids, especially when KK is also around, when they are both at home, because it's one of the most important things as a parent that you need to do. So today we are spending with the kids, playing with them around, and that will be it. So I have no much business today. And guys, this hair, it was really painful last week when I went to the salon and made it. Leo nimeitoanisha nikapaka tu mafuta and it's better. But I'm telling you, kuweka hizi vitu ni uchungu. Hey, get prepared. If you buy them, get ready. Unless mwenye atakuweka hatakuwa na uchungu, but yo, it was painful. Okay. Hi, Mimi. Hi, KK. Swim, I see. See the way you're swimming? Let me see how you swim. Shiko. Hi, Mimi. Inue kwa nini? Kwa float. Hey. Catching up with the vlog, guys. I know there's music, but yo.
Nambia kama utanuna nikikosa wiki kuleta kakitu, hautanuna nikikosa uwezo wa nyama baby. Nikikosa namna leo tanipenda ama ndo taniachaga peke.
Dr. Alice stands tall, serving every soul, answering every call, with gentle footsteps and wisdom so kind. She brings Christmas peace to every troubled mind. Oh, Christmas flows from her caring hands, a melody of mercy across the land. Christmas prayer through silent nights and joyful days. She Christmas prayer. As the angels sing and the stars align, her heart beats steady with a mission so fine. Dr. Alice spreading joy far and wide. A Christmas blessing heaven supply. Christmas stars rose from the galaxy. My melody of mercy across the land. Carries hope everywhere, everywhere, in every heart with a Christmas prayer. This holy season, Dr. Alice stands tall, serving every soul, answering every.
Yay. Get angry. Be angry. And Shiko. See Lulu. He's angry. Lulu is angry. Angry. Who is angry? Haha, laugh at Lulu and Shiko. Cry. Lulu is angry. Lulu is angry. Ah. You don't want? There. Record mommy. Record me. Fanya.
Mwana.
Oh.
You there, my mama?
Oh, okay. And Shiko, they are coming. Go, Mimi.
Na moyo wangu wakati